The 15th day of the 8th lunar month is a Mid-Autumn Festival, a celebration that focuses on the moon. Enjoying the beauty of the full moon on this day has been a long-standing traditional Chinese custom for centuries. The Mid-Autumn Festival is the most important festival symbolizing reunion. The roundness of the full moon expresses people's desire for a wholesome, happy family. Eating mooncakes is an important custom during the Mid-Autumn Festival. Due to the different diet habits in different regions, mooncakes vary in taste. Traditional flavors include fillings of 5-kernel, egg yolk, jujube paste, and bean paste. Now, there are new flavors like ice cream and durian. Although the taste of mooncake is changing, the symbolic meaning of the full moon remains unchanged. And the Chinese custom of eating mooncake and longing for reunion during the Mid-Autumn Festival will never fade away.
杰克兄弟祝全美华人中秋节快乐。